Hi there, this is Gabriela with another video. Okay, let's talk about how to optimize your Google My Business, Google Business Profile for rank on the trip pack. Okay, the first thing you need to do is try to get your best keyword on your primary category. Okay, how to do that? Okay, the first thing is why, and here's why. Primary category is the first top rank factor for rank on the Google map. Okay, let's do that. Okay, how can I check that? What we need to do is see which categories are using our competitors or our main competitors, and that way we can figure out which one we're gonna use. Okay, in this case, let's see something more tools, extensions. I have this installed, GMB everywhere. You can use another one, GMB Crush. A lot of people like that one too. If you have a paid version, it's gonna be really good. For me in particular, GMB Crush on the free version doesn't show up every time the categories. How you can install it? Just go here and then open the web store. Type here GMB, enter, and it's gonna show up these two. Like I told you, this one is really good, but for me the free version is not really good. I usually use this one. Okay, after that, let's go to Google Maps. On Google Maps, let's ask for dentist. No, I don't know why this is in Spanish. Sorry. 1 second. Okay, we got it. If you see the first are ads, we're not going to concentrate on those. Let's go to the first one without ads. If you see these have dentist, cosmetic, dentist, dental implants. That one I don't know how to pronounce really good. That means I'm gonna leave it like that. Emergency dental service and so on. And check all the category. This one, the liquor store, is the primary. If I look for dentist, if you see, it's gonna show up first the ones I have with the primary on dentist. Then you go ahead and check how many reviews they have. 504, 409, 230. That means they have a lot. You need to get a lot review to get this around these two. Dentist too, cosmetic. Dentist definitely is gonna be your primary, but sometimes when a client have or a business have, like, okay, we are dentists, but definitely the dental implants are our main service. That means you can use that one like your primary category, and that way it's gonna be like dental implants. Okay, let's jump this, and this one is on this one, dentist, supposed to be dental implants. You see, this one is the 1.5 dental implants, but on the third place. You need to check a little more why that one is on the third place and the other one doesn't have the dental implants. Like their first, the primary category is this one is on the third place and this one are on the first and second place. We need to check work a little more with those audits, okay? This is not what we're talking about this video. We're gonna have a video because this is a first video for a series of the videos I'm gonna do about optimization. This is really important. We are having a really new update for local SEO with Morning Robot, and we have new diagrams that are gonna be really good. As soon as we have that out, I'm gonna put a video about that. But first of all, before you start working with Morning Robot, of course, you need to optimize your Google listing. That's why we are starting with this series of videos. Okay, I hope this is gonna help you. Please let me know in the comment area if you have any question. I'll try to answer as soon as I can, and or you can always contact me by Telegram. That's the faster way to contact me, live chat or email. Okay, thank you. Until the next one.